The Timmelsjoch Pass, known as Passo del Rombo in Italian, stands at an impressive elevation of 2,509 meters, connecting the Utopia Valley in Austria with the Passo Valley in Italy. While the pass has a rich history dating back to ancient times, its crowning architectural achievement is the remarkable Pass Museum. The modern road's development, which began in the 1950s and culminated in its opening in 1968, set the stage for this architectural masterpiece. Archaeological findings, including a pre-Christian fibula from 300 before Christ, demonstrate the pass's historical significance as a crucial alpine crossing point. The Pass Museum, designed by renowned South Tyrolean architect Werner Tscholl, stands as a testament to modern alpine architecture. Its most striking feature is a dramatic 16-meter cantilever that extends from its North Tyrolean foundation into South Tyrolean airspace, symbolizing the cross-border unity between Austria and Italy. The structure's exterior design ingeniously draws inspiration from the erratic boulders found in the surrounding landscape, demonstrating Tscholl's commitment to harmonizing modern architecture with the natural environment. Inside, the museum captivates visitors with its innovative ice cave concept, featuring floor-to-ceiling glass formations. These glass walls serve both aesthetic and educational purposes, displaying historic photographs that chronicle the road's construction. The museum's centerpiece is a precisely crafted 1:1 scale model of the original road, housed within a stalagmite-shaped glass case. In a complementary stalactite-shaped display, visitors can view the ancient fibula discovered near the summit, connecting the present to the pass's ancient history. The museum is part of a larger architectural initiative that includes several sculptures along the pass. These installations, also designed by Werner Tscholl in 2010, include the Garnets and Telescope on the Italian side and the Smuggler and Walkway on the Austrian side. Each structure contributes to the overall narrative of the pass's cultural and historical significance while maintaining the architect's vision of integrating with the natural landscape. The Timmelsjoch Pass Museum represents a perfect fusion of bold contemporary design and historical preservation, offering visitors not just a museum experience, but a journey through time in an architecturally stunning setting.